Hi YouTube, in this video we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Samsung Galaxy A12 model SM-A125F. At first glance, this is the European version, and reading the specs and features of the A12, there's not much edge comparing it to the A11, except maybe the camera, and it sure is much bigger and heavier. The A12 retails between $185 and $200 right now, but enough talk. Without further ado, we're gonna open the box, check it out, see the build quality, and you guys can decide if it's worth the money. So what's in the box? One, we have the cell phone. So you have a 6.5 display, quadruple camera, and fingerprint sensor. Of course, the fingerprint sensor is not right here as usual. Okay, we also have the charger adapter. Hope you can see the specs. We have a data cable to connect to the adapter. You have an earbud, and we have a multi-language user manual. Let's see that. Okay, so you have a quick start guide, English, in French, and in some kind of Arabic. Besides that, you've got a warranty card. So going back to the A12, it's a dual SIM Android 10 smartphone released in December 2020 with a battery capacity of 5000 mAh, non-removable, and powered by MediaTek Helio P35 processor. It comes in various versions. You have a 32, 64, and 128 gigs with 3 gigs, 4, and 6 gigs of RAM. This version is a 64 gigs European version. As mentioned earlier, it runs on Android 10 straight out of the box, 6.5-inch display, but doesn't come with an AMOLED display. Instead, it came with a TFT or thin film transistor display, which is a variant of the liquid crystal display LCD. The resolution is a 720 by 1560, 264 ppi density, which is also a downside since most cell phones in this range nowadays runs 1080. So let's go to more features of the cell phone. We open it. The front side is made of glass. The back side is made of plastic. Not glossy plastic as in most cases, but at least even though it's plastic, it's better than the glossy plastics. It comes with a dual SIM. Let's check that out. So you have a card slot right here, and you have 2 SIM card slots immediately, which is an advantage because most cell phones that they do these days, they don't have a dedicated slot. This one has a dedicated slot for the memory card. Talking about the main camera, it comes with 4 cameras, a 48 5-megapixel and 2 2-megapixel camera. One is micro and the other is depth. Other features include LED flash. The selfie camera is 8 megapixel and comes with 5.0 Bluetooth. Here, right at the bottom, you have the microphone, the USB port, and you have the 3.5mm jack. Here on your right, you can see the volume rocker, and right here, this very same on-off button, it's the same fingerprint sensor. That was why, or that was the reason it came out. It came on immediately right now. You can see at the back here, you don't have the fingerprint sensor, the normal or traditional fingerprint sensor. You just have to press it and it comes on. And then basically that's all. You can see it's So we're gonna test how fast it charges. I purposely left it at 7%, and this is the USB cable. It's very short. This cable measures like 78 centimeters, which is about 30 inches. I'm gonna plug it straight in and we'll see how fast it charges. I'm gonna try and do this with just one hand. So let's see how much it's gonna take to charge. So we just finished charging. It's 8:25 right now. When we started, it was 4:53 in the afternoon, 16:53, which is 4:53 in the afternoon, and right now it's 8:25. It took about a little bit over 3 hours to fully charge. Nowadays, we know that mid-range cell phone segments are already very crowded with some very amazing phones, but give me a couple of days to check out the performance and I'll update this video. Let me know what you guys think about the A12 in the comments below, and hope you've learned something in this unboxing. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Ciao, ciao.